Hi guys, today we're going to be reacting to a Lego puzzle box, only one, and it's called the Sword Box, a Lego Zelda Master Solve Puzzle Adventure. This guy makes really awesome puzzles, so let's just get right into it. So he starts with a little intro, and we're going to skip it. You don't even need to walk around. I'm sure that you only rotate one of those. That's a wig. Oh yeah, I can kind of see half like on this one. This looks a good sword. Come on, do the puzzle box right. He's looking around. Okay. Find it. He's running. He's running. He's running. He's running. He's gonna try to get out of there. Oh no. Poor him. He can't. That looks like a boy. Yeah, you see, I thought you needed to rotate that. Okay. Then you push that. Push that. Oh, and the key comes out, I think. Push that. This is actually really cool. Turn the key on that one. Push that. Box comes out. Wow. Then you push that. But this is actually. And that opens, okay. Pull that. And it allows you to pull that. Push that. Oh, and I think so if you don't see, there was a hole right there. And I think so that there's like an axle that goes through it. It stops it. So, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.